Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can get a Chinese display name on Roblox. So first up, open your Roblox account here. And then if you want to see your display name, so click on your profile picture. And here, as you can see, my current display name is this. And if you want to change this one, just click on the gear icon right here at the top right. And then here, click on settings. Now here on settings page, so make sure that your age is 13 and above so you can be able to access this feature to change your display name. So click this change name icon and then here you can basically add a Chinese character. So to find that, go to this add new tab and then search for Google Translate. Now here in Google Translate, you want to select the language. So basically this one here is English. And then select the Chinese letters or Chinese language. So here we have simplified and traditional. So I'm going to use simplified. All right. So from here, you want to type the channel name. Now, on the other hand, you'll find the Chinese letters here. So all you need to do just copy. So right click and then click on copy and then go back to your display name, change name. You just have to paste it here. And once I just have to click on save. So as you can see, my name has already changed for the past 7 days. So I have to wait after 7 days. But if you have the option, you just have to click on the save button. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.